All right, I'm back today with another episode of a practical guide to using AI. This is artificial intelligence for real life. Today we have a very, I think, cool episode. We've got 5 everyday AI tools to make your life easier. Anyway, I'm John Turner. I am your host of AI for Real Life. And this is where we just try to dumb everything down a little bit and make it easier for those who are starting out using AI, who may find it a little overwhelming. But with that, as we go on through these episodes, we will get into some deeper things as well. So, um, anyway, I hope you're enjoying this. If you are, please subscribe. We will be bringing you these episodes on a very regular basis. And it certainly helps us if you subscribe. So we appreciate it. Also, comment whether you like the information, whether you didn't, whether there's something you want to know, something, subjects you want to know about, anything like that will certainly help us because we are doing this for you. But let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Let me get myself out of the way here so we can see what's going on. And what we are going to do is we are going to talk about 5 different programs that you can use for AI. The first one is ChatGPT. And it's I've already went over this a little bit with you in previous episodes. It's the one I use the most. Just because I think it's probably the most popular and just the one I got used to, quite frankly. But there are a lot of things that you can do with ChatGPT. One we did last time is just rewriting an email. If you're writing, "Hi, Grandma," I don't feel good sending AI to Grandma, right? Let's say, "Hi, colleagues," COLLEGUES, something, and I misspelled it. Thing about it is, I'm not the best speller, but ChatGPT will still recognize it and it will still work around it. We have seen a decrease in production. We need to get back on track. I have confidence in you. Now, what I should have said before this, and this is the prompt. I left off the prompt, so I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to say, please rewrite this email in a professional, encouraging, ENCOUR. Yeah, see, my spelling's horrendous today. So, encouraging and friendly but firm manner. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So, and this is things that really help in just everyday life. So, hi, team. Better than colleagues, right? We've noticed a recent dip in production. It's important we refocus and get back on track. I believe in each of you and the strengths you bring to this group. Let's commit and support one another and finish strong. We've got this together. That sounds a lot better than, "Hey, there's a decrease in production. We need to get back on track. I have confidence in you." So it's saying the same thing, okay? It's not like AI is doing something I don't want it to do. It's just saying the same thing. And it's following the prompt that I'm putting in. One of the keys with AI is only as good as the prompt that you put in. And we'll get into more about prompts later. But right now, I just want to cover 5 different types of programs that you can use. So that's ChatGPT. Let's go over to Claude. Now, what Claude is, it's great if you have longer documents. It really can sort through them, things of that nature. So what I want to do is I've got a longer paragraph here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say summarize this paragraph in easy to understand bullet points. All right. Now I've actually got a paragraph over here I've already written. It's a longer paragraph, so I thought I'd save you the time. But over the past several years, the rapid growth of digital tools, mobile devices, online platforms, blah, 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 blah. Let's make this easy for you. This is what Claude does really well. So let's see what the bullet points it gives us. Digital technology has transformed how people shop, learn, communicate, and solve everyday problems. Why technology offers convenience, it's created information overload that's hard to navigate. See how those bullet points just come in? A lot easier for me to understand. So that is Claude for you. Just a real quick overview. You can use one or all of these. Some people use them all depending on what they're wanting to do. Why did I thought I'd already gone to Perplexity. I didn't. Google search will take you to these things. So, I'm not actually giving you the addresses on it because, again, Google searches will take you there. But Perplexity is more like a search engine. So what I'm going to do here is, what did I write down I want to do? What are a few simple ways to save money each month without changing let's say changing my lifestyle. Yeah. Now Perplexity will, again, it works kind of like a search engine, and it will come back with a bunch of suggestions here, which probably is a pretty good thing. If you notice over here too, it does give us links to where it's finding the information. Most of these will do that. But what I do like about Perplexity as well is it also will put related information down here. So it's like, okay, which subscriptions am I still paying for but not using? Oh, I didn't think about that. That's a way I could save money. So it's almost giving you suggestions on things that maybe you should have asked questions about, but you didn't ask questions about. So that's a brief overview of Perplexity. A lot of people are using Canva as well now. I use Canva. I do not use the AI feature of Canva very much, but they do have an AI feature here. And what you can do here is you can use the magic design to come up with something. So let me see. Create a image of a elephant roaming through an American city. Okay. Just going to think about it. Where am I going to put this thing? It wants to know where I'm going to put it. So I'm just going to say it's going on Instagram. It's going to be an Instagram post. So it's going to think about it, and it's going to come up with an image for us. Hopefully it'll come up with like 3 or 4 of them. Most of the time it will do that. And it does take it a second. Some of these image creators are a little bit slower than others. It's got one down here already coming through, as you can see. All right, so I just asked it the elephant roaming American city, and here it is. So, now I could edit it more if I want to or whatever. I could have got more specific about what city I want it roaming through or what I want it doing. But anyway, that's a brief introduction to Canva. Canva, again, is more for images, presentations, things like that. The last one we'll cover today is actually Gemini. Gemini, I feel like it is a lot more, I don't know. I feel like it's more like ChatGPT because it gives you clear steps. This is a Google product, which I'm kind of surprised. I think Google's running a little bit behind on what they're doing. But, we're going to say, give me, what did I write down? 3 ways to it should be organize my week using my Google Calendar, because this is a Google product. You can get time there. Of course, ChatGPT, you can link up with your Google Drive and things as well. So we'll see what it's going to come up with us for us. Thinking. I need some music here, some Jeopardy music or something like that while we wait. Dun, 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 dun. I also like Gemini. I feel like Gemini does a pretty good job of coming up with images as well. I use it a lot for images whenever I'm posting some blogs. I feel like it's faster, and I feel like it does a better job. So certainly like that. I'm a little surprised it's taken this long on this particular prompt. So I hope this is not boring you while we're waiting for it. But I will tell you that to summarize why we're waiting on this, some of the five most popular things that you will use with AI is ChatGPT. Um, uh, Let me see, Canva, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini. All right. And here it comes up with our answer on how to better organize our week. We could color code our categories, time block. We could have a buffer system. And then it starts asking, would you like for me to help you set up any of these? They could do an example. And that's where you really can dive into this deeper. But for now, we're going to stop there. This is your tutorial about 5 everyday AI tools that can make your life easier. Thank you for joining us. Again, I'm John Turner, your host of AI for Real Life, here just trying to make things easier when it comes to AI, helping break it down for you so you can understand it. Thanks again for visiting. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.